Hey guys, in this video I will show you how the futures ladder works on Robinhood. Alright, so let's begin. First of all, open your browser and log into your Robinhood account. Once you're signed in, make sure you have access to Robinhood Legend since the futures ladder is available there. Now, on the Robinhood Legend dashboard, go to the search bar at the top and search for the futures contract you want to trade. For example, you can search for MS, MNQ or M2K, then select the contract from the search results. Once the futures contract opens, click on this add widget option and you'll see different tabs such as chart and ladder. Simply click on the ladder tab to open the futures ladder interface. Here, you'll see a vertical list of prices. The prices at the top are higher while the prices at the bottom are lower. The ladder updates automatically in real time as the market price changes. Now, if you want to place a buy limit order, simply click on the price level on the left side of the ladder. Robinhood will automatically prepare a buy limit order at that selected price. If you want to place a sell limit order, click on the price level on the right side of the ladder. This will create a sell limit order at the price you selected. Once your order is placed, it will appear directly on the ladder, allowing you to monitor it in real time. If needed, you can adjust or cancel your order as the market moves. That's how you use the Robinhood Futures ladder. Simply search for your preferred futures contract, open the ladder view, place your buy or sell limit orders by clicking the desired price level, and monitor your trades as the market updates in real time. And that's it. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.